हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर संदीप बसीन केरवल मेडिकल सेंटर से। आज मैं आपको एक दिखाने जा रहा हूँ कि जब हम हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं तो जो हमारे होल्स हैं, फ्रंट लाइन डिज़ाइनिंग है, वो किस तरह से की जानी चाहिए। फ्रंट लाइन डिज़ाइनिंग में किन बातों का ध्यान रखना है, होल्स का क्या डायरेक्शन रखना है, फ्रंट में बैक में कौन सा एंगल रखना है, ये सारी बातें आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे आज के वीडियो के अंदर। और कैसे ये होल्स किए जाते हैं, आई विल बी शोइंग इट यू इन अ सर्जरी सो दैट वी गेट गुड रिजल्ट, डेंस पैकिंग ऑफ द हेयर एंड वेरी नेचुरल रिजल्ट्स। तो लेट्स हैव अ सी, लेट्स हैव अ लुक हाउ वी डू these holes for implanting the hair in hair transplantation. This is a patient of grade 5, grade 6 baldness. This is our front line what we have designed, and this is 6 centimeters from the forehead. So we have to be above the muscles, and here we are about 8 centimeters above. 8 centimeters above. Because it's grade 5, grade 6 baldness, we have got 4,000 grafts here. So we are designing to cover the front half. So our planning is 2,000 grafts in the front. This is the area for the what we are giving. These are temporal triangles what we have made, and we plan to put about 100 on each side. And this is the distribution: 2,000 in the front, 500 in this area, and then 1,000 on the back to cover the back. We are not going up to the whole back because otherwise the density would be too less for the grade 6. So for that we can go later. So we'll start with now making the holes first before we do the grafting, because that will reduce the out of body time of the graft. So the first important thing, the front line has to be zigzag, and our holes have to be at a very acute angle. So you see, my angle is very acute. It is something like 20 to 30 degree. The other thing is the depth of my blade. This depth has to be about 4 to 5 millimeter, so that the hair root can go in completely. So if I check it with my ruler, this is coming 5 millimeter. So this is 5 millimeter depth, and my angle I'm keeping at 20 to 30 degree. And very important that my hairline is not straight, it is zigzag, it looks natural. So when we come to the temporal triangles, our angle is still very acute. We try to keep it like 0 degree, and we don't have to give very high density in the temporal triangle. We can give a very moderate density here. We don't require a very high density here. Again, the depth is about 5 millimeter, but the angle is very acute. We try to keep it 0 degree to 10 degree. So in the front, we give a very dense packing of the holes. You see the angle we have always kept is like 20 to 30 degree. Also the holes that we do are scattered so that they interdigitate and they overlap. This gives a greater density to the hair. It gives like greater density, and we try to keep the gaps minimum between these holes. And we try that by the shadow effect, by interdigitating these holes, we are trying that the look and the density comes maximum. So you see that there is very little gap, very little free gap between these holes. We are not lining them one behind the other, but we are interdigitating them. That is, between the two holes we are trying to do the hole of the subsequent line. So like these two holes are there, we do in between them the holes. Like you see these two holes, we'll make the hole in between. This is called interdigitation. So we're doing interdigitation holes. So this gives a greater density, greater look of density to the hair. So we have finished making the holes. There are few things we kept in mind. The front line is zigzag, you can see. It is not a straight line. The direction of the holes is front to back. The angle was 20 to 30 degrees in the front. The density was like 50 per square centimeter. As we came back, the density keeps decreasing. And the angle of the holes becomes like 90 degree when we come to the vertex. So the angle keeps increasing and the density keeps decreasing as we come from front to back. In the temporal triangles, the angle is 0 degree to 10 degree and the density is a very moderate density. In the parietal areas, we direct the hole sideways from in the sideward direction rather than from anterior to posterior direction. This you can see the direction, they are more laterally oriented and they are anterior posteriorly oriented holes. So this is something we keep in mind while making the holes to give a more natural look and a more dense look to the hairs. मेरे और भी वीडियोस हैं जो हमने बनाए हैं, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट के ऊपर हैं, गायनिकोमेस्टिया के ऊपर हैं, लेज़र हेयर रिमूवल के ऊपर, राइनोप्लास्टिक के ऊपर, ऐसी बहुत सारी कॉस्मेटिक ट्रीटमेंट पे हैं, आप उनको देख सकते हैं।